Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell and this is the September 2018 Double Shot Kit. The Double Shot Kit is the smaller monthly kit with just 2 collections including cardstock, patterned paper, and embellishments. Each month you'll also receive 2 recipe cards for double page layouts, one for each one of the collections designed by the design team. So it will have cutting and assembly instructions for you so you can get creating right away. This month's collections are American Crafts Shine On and Carta Bella Pack Your Bags. And as you might notice, they look like they would go really well together. A lot of the same colors pick up in both collections, so don't be afraid to mix and match everything that comes in your double shot kit. Let's take a closer look at each one of these. First up from Carta Bella is Pack Your Bags. So a perfect vacation line to scrapbook all of your little adventures. Your cardstock in this one is going to be 1 sheet of Yukon Gold and 2 sheets of Stargazer. Your patterned paper is this one that's all of the cute airplanes and the little clouds set on an aqua background. And the back side is a geometric design. It's a 2-tone red. This one's called Head in the Clouds. Then we have all of the snow globes and the passport stamps. The back side is more of those passport stamps just all over the background. This one is called Happy Place. Then we have the cut apart sheet that's 4x6, and we have some vertical and horizontal, and then a 2x2 cut apart down here, so perfect for your embellishments. And you can even cut these apart to tuck in for your embellishments. The back is these little arrows that you would see in airports and different places when you're traveling on a dark navy blue, and this one is called Journaling Cards. And one thing I love about Carta Bella is how heavy their paper is. It's like cardstock and it's kind of textured. Love their paper. The embellishments for this kit is the 12x12 sticker sheet. So you're going to get lots of choices to do your embellishing. You're going to have some little word labels, tags that are like what you would get on the airport. Love this little stewardess here. She is super cute, and even the glasses. We have road signs, more of the snow globes, world globe. We have cars and airplanes. So all kinds of travel that you could document with this kit. So that is Carta Bella's Pack Your Bags. Next, from American Crafts, we have Amy Tangerine's Shine On collection. This is definitely Amy Tan's signature style. So if you like her designs, you're going to love this kit. First up on the cardstock, you have 2 sheets of Pinkini and 1 sheet of white. For the patterned paper, we have the blue diagonal geometric design with a full branding strip of little black cameras. The back are the large cameras, and they have little script words on them like explore, smile, happy, remember, and it's on a pink background. Then we have this one with the circles and the different colors and different designs. Another full branding strip in that dark blue. The back side is this really fun design that radiates from this corner out, so you could have a lot of fun with this sheet of paper. This one's called Happiness. This paper with a diagonal stripe in all the different colors in this collection, and the branding strip are the florals in the different colors. The back side is the little white flower with a purple center on a pink background, and this one is called Flourish. So one more look at your patterned paper. Really cute design. For the embellishments, you're going to get 1/4 a pack of the ephemera, so they will vary among the kits, but this is what I got. You can see lots of gold foiling throughout. That's just stunning. You get a full roll of washi tape, which I am in love with. It's a craft brown with gold diagonal stripes. It's just gorgeous. Cannot wait to play with that. And then these adorable little bowls They are going to vary among the kits. These are brown and they're leather, and they're also pop dotted on the little foam. So you're going to get 3 of the little adorable bows to decorate your pages with. That is American Crafts Shine On. One more look at your double shot kit. If you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, be sure to click that coffee cup so you'll be subscribed, and click the bell so you'll be notified when the new videos are revealed. Then come on over to the Scrap Room Facebook page and the blog to see what the design team's creating, as well as your fellow subscribers. Also be sure to check out all the other kits and the products in the store that you might want to add on to your kits. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.